Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily reading, Leos, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, guys, that detailed love reading, it is going to be like a pick a card love reading. So that will come right after this daily energy. So you can watch that, guys. So let's see what are these cards. It's Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, it may be something in your personal life situation or your career situation, something to do with your career situation. So Leos, you are a very caring and nurturing person. You are really responsible. So in your work situation or in your life, in your personal life with your family, you are very caring, supporting, and you want to be that warm person, helping and guiding everyone. So that may be the reason people come to you for your support, for your suggestions. So they love you for what you are, the way you are able to be that that person who can be relied on, who supports everyone. So they love you for that. And maybe this quality itself is the reason for people being really jealous of you. So there is someone in your situation, guys, maybe in your career or in your family. They may be your friend, someone from your family. They are quite jealous of the way you are. Maybe you have success in your life. You are happy today, contented. You have that emotional satisfaction in your life today. So again, that is causing envy in people around you. So it may be someone from your career. So they are working against you, guys. If you know who it is, if you have an idea who it will be, you have to stay away from that person, guys, for your own good. And I also see that maybe for some of you, if you had something wrong, done something wrong in your career, maybe you would have maybe if someone had asked your help and you just avoided them, maybe not because of some bad intention, but maybe it would have been an impulsive decision, but you would have felt bad later. So some kind of maybe that person is in a very bad situation today, and you may feel that is you may feel really guilty for not helping them, maybe, but you need not worry about that, guys. So whatever is destined to happen, that is what is happening today, Leos. So for that more detailed love reading, Leos, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can choose that card. guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. So let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is. Building blocks. So this card means that in your life today, guys, in this connection, in this relationship, you are building a strong foundation in this connection, and a beautiful relationship is in progress. So the appearance of this card just means that you are attracting a new positive connection in your life, and maybe you are solidifying the ones you already have. And the means of building that foundation, that strong foundation, how do we do that? It is through honesty, humility, and clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand each other. So you are moving towards that laying of that groundwork for this relationship with firm footing that will ensure it can withstand any storm. Long-standing relationships are also repaired and strengthened. You and the other person are stronger and wiser, more powerful together than apart. But if you feel that this is not true and you are not sharing that understanding with them, with that person, and you are not moving, this connection is not moving in a positive way. So if that is the case, then it means that you have to address the cracks in the foundation of your life. Perhaps your values have changed and it's time to strengthen your convictions and let go of things that no longer serve the vision you have for your life. Or perhaps you can choose to ignore the signs that a situation or agreement you have entered into is not right for you. Remove the rotten pieces and reinforce your core moral strength and integrity. Now is the time for rigorous honesty, for you have called to renovate and upgrade your consciousness. You will be so happy when you do. Spirit has a spectacular blueprint for your life, far beyond your imagination. Don't be afraid to replace what's not solid. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's start with the second card now. So let us see what is the card, guys. This is the second card. The card says, from nothing to everything. So this is a Rumi card, guys. It is based on poet Rumi's poems. So I will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry on what this oracle card is based upon. Oh, my friend, if you are longing to be written on, become a blank page. Rumi. So this just means that this card just means that we have to focus on letting go of identities, of knowledge and certainty, of opinion and even attempts at control. We may feel as though we are being stripped back to our core, and even then, perhaps further still, we may wonder if we can bear it all. Perhaps we are graced with the realization there is so much more, or perhaps we still don't get the hint and move into struggle as we try to enact what we think our story should be. We may hit obstacle after obstacle and create even more terror in our storytelling. That life is such a pain, a struggle, that success may not be for us, that we are forgotten and unheard. This oracle comes with the guidance for you guys. You are being asked to let go, to receive, to become empty, to be filled. This may mean letting go of attachment to a lover so you can receive genuine love. It may be of no longer holding on to a fantasy of your dream job, but of being guided in your most soulful and successful occasion. It may mean letting go of wishes for your body or health to be other than this. So you can simply get on with living each day, taking steps into wellness without thinking beyond one day at a time. It is the divine paradox that when we are asked to surrender a story or fantasy, it is because reality is knocking at our door more often than not with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So it may be very painful and bring you much grief, but all that is dying is your attachment and opinion about how it must be. This needs to happen so you can stop dreaming and start living it. That is the essence, guys. So we may have certain ideas how our relationship should proceed and what should be in this love, but what is the truth or what is happening, the true unfolding of events, experiences, that is not in our hand, and we must be present to see the beauty of how things are unfolding today. So you have to stop dreaming and start living in reality. Do not fear any part of this process, guys, because when you embrace without expectation, you will see that all your fantasies, dreams, whatever it is, it will be fulfilled in a very unexpected way, and you have to have that trust in that divine. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. So I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.